All right, I'll try to use this thing to replace the door ferrule because the other one was loose and it chipped the paint. 37 Chevy Pickup. I got the one with no grommet because the grommets are too tight for my handle, so I'm gonna add my own for the inside and then for the outside to cover the little chips. So what I believe has to happen is a little tooth has to poke through that little wall, and that grabs the door skin. So you put it in enough to poke through the wall. It's a little too much. Like right there. And that'll grab the door skin. But since I'm doing a little grommet, I'll go a little bit further out. Right, nope. Right there. Let's give it a try. First put my little inside grommet, because I don't know if it's gonna crush it. And this is the size of my handle, so it'll fit smooth. Anyways. And then I'll put an outside grommet just to try to cover little chips. And hopefully you guys can hear it make the little bite through to tell you that it's grabbing. Wish me luck. I'm gonna go right there. See if I can zoom in. All right. Put it in. One bite. Two bites. Three bites. Four bites. Five bites. Six bites. All right. It worked. Didn't see any videos out there, so tried it out. And then of course, where's this thing at? The way you remove the handle. It's just a little, let me zoom out. It's just a screw. Just a screw on the inside. Shout out to my Pachuco, Texas homies. And everybody out there, hope this helps you out. Now I'll do screw it in. Ya está. Of course I haven't put the screw in, but the little grommet covered the scratches. Well, not down there, but don't tell nobody. And yeah, good as new. So wait for the little punch through and you should be good to go. I already did the other side and it worked, so quick video. All right, all my Bomb brothers and classic truck peoples. Here's the troquita. Oops. Let me zoom out. Here's my little truck, Plymouth. It's a mess. There's my Buick. Chicos, we brought them dogs. Yeah, so that's how you use the tool, Ferrule tool. Have a good day. Bombs away.